So this house and this client came to us, their kitchen, their house is beautiful and they were really excited about it, but the kitchen just was not working for them for a number of reasons. It was very dark and the layout was really squished for two people to be using it at the same time. So those were kind of the two things that we started with, was trying to get more light and just a better layout in general. And then as we kind of looked at it, we wanted to stay within the footprint of the house. Part of that was just for general cost effectiveness, but also just, you know, this site didn't serve to be able to grow it much further than what is already here. So it became a little bit of a puzzle trying to figure out how we were going to gain some inches in this kitchen. All kitchen designs is a game of inches. And so in this one, we kind of looked at shifting a wall back to get about 8 extra inches in that kitchen. And it made a huge difference in how the overall space worked. We changed a couple of door locations so that the circulation through the space was different, moved the powder room, and that gave us an extra window at the front, and it gave us an extra butler's pantry off the side, which felt appropriate for this age of a house. So originally, the remodel I think was in maybe the 90s or so, and it felt a lot like a 90s kitchen. And so what we did is we took out all that dark wood, all that terrazzo stone on the backsplash, as we did much brighter finishes. We did some kind of classic details in terms of the crown molding and the door style. We did a really fun checkerboard floor that added some character to the kitchen, but also felt very appropriate for a 1930s house. We added a little pop in the powder room. So their original powder room had like a beige palm tree wallpaper on it. And when we moved it, we wanted to pay homage to that. So we have a bright green and a really fun little surprise. So with that, I'm really excited to walk you guys through this space. You're gonna really love it.